In your Saloodo dashboard, there is your personal profile and also a profile of your company. In this tutorial, we will show you which settings you can change in both profiles. To change personal settings, click on your initials and then on a profile. You will now see your data and the settings for your Saloodo account. Please make sure that your data is always up to date so that our customer service team can contact you in case of an incident. Under your personal settings, you can set your preferred language, time zone, and currency. We currently offer 11 languages and conversion to all currencies worldwide. In addition, click the small checkbox to allow us to send you news about Saloodo. This way you will always be up to date and won't miss anything. You should also allow email notifications. Then you will be informed by us as soon as something changes with regard to your transport requests, and you do not have to check this yourself. You also have the option of being informed by Saloodo via WhatsApp whenever there are new transport requests on the platform. Simply enter your mobile number in the WhatsApp notifications section and you will no longer miss any business opportunities. Also, in your personal profile area, you will see the item search alerts. Here you will see the list of all your search notifications. You can activate or deactivate email or desktop notifications, delete search alerts, or create new ones. We show you how to create search alerts in the tutorial on the topic of the search alerts. In the rate card overview, also in your personal profile, you can see all the fixed rates you have stored at Saloodo. You don't have any rate cards at Saloodo yet, but would like to deposit some? Then take a look at our tutorial on rate cards, where we explain exactly what they are and how you can use them. The second profile section in the dashboard is your company profile. To access this, click on Company. Here you will see an overview of all the company documents you have uploaded to your dashboard. Only if you provide all the required documents you will be able to submit offers on transport requests. If you are your company's administrator for Saloodo, you can invite other colleagues to become Saloodo users here. Intra-company cooperation via Saloodo has many advantages. For example, you can make processes leaner and more error-free. Adding more users is unlimited and completely free. Saloodo does not charge any user-dependent fees. In the company profile, you also create a small profile about your company. Take some time for this. Fill out your profile completely and provide a full description of your company. This way you show potential business partners that you are trustworthy. This information is displayed during the booking process and gives the shipper insight into who submitted the transport offer.